What's the meaning of conventional? Conventional. Conventional.
Conventional. Conventional. Conventional refers to something that is in line with widely accepted standards, customs, or practices. It is often used to describe something that is traditional, familiar, or typical. For example, conventional wisdom refers to generally accepted beliefs or opinions. Conventional warfare refers to military operations that follow established rules and practices. In general, the term conventional implies conformity to expected norms or patterns, rather than innovation or creativity. Overall, conventional can be seen as a descriptor for existing practices that are widely accepted and recognized within a particular context or community.